G'day guys, welcome back to Aussie Knife and Gear Reviews. So today we've got a zero tolerance ZT0203 knife. Now this is a solid big knife. I've got average size hands and there's still room there for a bigger hand. But comfortable, solid CPM M4 PVD coated blade, nice drop point, strong tip, flat grind. Got G10 3D machined scales, black PVD coated steel liners, clip, all ambidextrous, so you can change it around. Dual thumb stud, and the Duralock back bar system, which is new for zero tolerance. So it's a nice strong lock in there, and a nice click. Again, ambidextrous for closing and opening. Phosphor bronze bearings. Now, that's great for this style of knife, because if you're going to be using it outdoors, you're going to get rubbish down in amongst your pivot and your bearings. So you don't want anything in there that's going to foul up, such as a ball or a needle roller bearing. So phosphor bronze on this one, ideal for the sort of work that you'll do with it. So I'm looking forward to putting it to the test, CPM M4, see what sort of edge retention it's got on it. $500 roundabout for this. Premium materials, big knife, reasonable price tag for the size knife and what it is. Aussie Outback Supplies are the distributor in Australia, and through their distributors throughout Australia, you'll be able to buy it. We'll see how we go with the testing, come back with some results on it, and give you an informed decision of what we reckon. Just going to check the BESS sharpness score on the ZT0203, straight out of the box, brand new, 253. Okay, so you can see the Duralock back bar system here releases when hit. This is what happened when through the battening. I'll bring it to their attention and just see what they say. Check the sharpness score after all the testing, 395 on the BESS, which is pretty good, from 253. So the edge has held up really well. The toughness of the blade is good. So we'll give it a quick sharpen and a strop, and we'll give it a test again on the sharpness. We did do a couple of strops with some paste as well. So the tested again, came to 269, so pretty good field sharpening. Okay, so to wrap things up, we finished the testing. The only problem we had was the back bar lock did come loose when I was battening. Did release, so that Duralock there did release, but to be honest, it's so solid that obviously the battening released it. So yeah, just got to be a little bit wary of that. That's why I didn't continue with the batoning, because it did release twice on me. Now we were in the 400s on the edge when we finished. A quick go on the work sharp there, and some couple of strops with some paste on it, different paste, and we're back down to 260. So that's pretty bloody good, really. Easy to sharpen in the field. It handled all those tests pretty well. Wasn't stropped, wasn't sharpened at all in between doing the cardboard, and as we know that they really blunt a knife cutting cardboard. The rope, the size of rope, 24mm size of rope, battening it through, no damage where we were hitting it. So all in all, pretty impressive. The only downfall was that Duralock bar when we were battening, coming loose and releasing. So yeah, all in all, happy. Would I recommend it for a hard use knife? Yep, absolutely. It's certainly not an EDC, but yeah, take it out bush, do some work, and that blade will last for a long time. If you're after something tough, a large folding knife, tough, the Zero Tolerance ZT0203. Give Aussie Outback Supplies a call or jump on their website, and they've got them there for you. All right, thanks guys. We'll see you on the next one.